Traveling comes packed with risks: lost luggage, canceled tours, missed flights, medical emergencies, to name a few. But Trip Insurance protects your wallet from those, right? Well, when several viewers found their claims got tripped up, they decided to get Gephardt.
So the ABC Islands are right here.
Michael Cowley and his wife made it all the way to Salt Lake International's main terminal before they learned that their flight to Florida to board a cruise ship had been scuttled, all because a flight attendant had timed out. JetBlue reimbursed the airfare they have to by law. But the trip insurance that's built into his JetBlue credit card refuses to cover the $3,600 that he lost by missing the cruise.
They said it was due to staff shortage.
I thought it was going to cover a cancellation.
Dale Heiser specifically bought cancellation protection from Priceline for a recent flight to Sacramento. So when he canceled, he thought travel insurance to the rescue. But no. Dale's claim was denied because his reason for cancellation was not covered.
I felt like I got a bad product, really.
It's a lot of money for us.
Laurel Bjornberg and her husband Stephen paid $4,700 for a religious-themed trip, but their tour operator, Cruise Builder, abruptly canceled, citing inflation and higher travel costs as reasons.
Are you with Cruise Builder? You're not?
We have reported on Cruise Builder before. They've seemingly gone into hiding. So surely Laurel's AIG Travel Guard policy will have her back, right? The policy says right there, the financial default of a travel supplier is a covered reason. Still, Laurel denied.
It's frustrating, it's disappointing, and that companies just don't come through.
3 trips, all protected with travel insurance, 3 claims denied from 3 viewers asking if travel insurance won't pay. What good is it?
We strongly recommend it.
Larry Gelwicks of Morris Columbus Travel does recommend trip protection insurance, but a policy, he says, won't always cover things that you think it would or should.
They're one-sided agreements. They will protect the insurance company.
Gelwick says he has seen claims denied or rejected because of loopholes buried in legalese.
They don't make money when they pay claims.
It's why he says that travelers should really understand the details of their policy before they travel.
What and who is included and what is excluded.
What is included? Well, it might be the death of a family member, a terrorist attack, jury duty. But don't always expect help if you simply change your mind on a trip, or if bad weather's in the forecast, or if you get injured doing a high-risk activity like skiing in the backcountry. And if it is not specifically mentioned in your policy, it probably is not covered.
Print the whole policy, the terms, the conditions, the restrictions.
See more details. See more details.
Yeah, but finding the actual policy is not always so clear-cut. We found the promise for the policy that Dale Heiser bought on Priceline easy enough. Get up to 100% trip cancellation, trip interruption protection, and more. But it took us about 10 minutes of digging.
Travel carrier delay, strike, natural disaster, roads being closed.
And through 10 different hyperlinks to actually find the complete contract of what is and what is not covered.
Now it's a 34-page document.
Gelwick says he looks for a user-friendly insurer who can offer all that information without too much legalese. And if you can't find an insurance carrier that spells out all the coverage you need and don't need,
go shopping for a different policy.
As for these 3 people who contacted me, we reached out to various companies on each's behalf. JetBlue apologized that their staffing issue caused Michael to miss his ship. Priceline told us they appreciate Dale's business and wish him well in future travels. And AIG will not explain why they are refusing to make Laurel whole. They have never responded to our multiple requests to review her claim. Not one of these people got any reimbursement thanks to exclusions in their trip protection policies. Matt Gephardt, KSL 5 News.
Matt, thank you. So what can you do if your claim got rejected for no good reason? Contact the Utah Insurance Department for an assist, or take it to small claims court. There's no law that says you have to have an attorney, but in Utah, the maximum amount that you can sue for is $11,000.